Next we have Her Excellency Sheila Sealy Monteith, Ambassador of Jamaica to Belgium. We have Their Excellencies, other members of the diplomatic corps, Captain Yuri Veneers. He is the Honorary Consul for Jamaica at Antwerp. We have in our midst other Honorary Consuls in Antwerp, Mr. Tom Verbalen. He is Director External Relations and International Affairs of the City of Antwerp, and he's representing the City of Antwerp. We should also have in our midst representatives of Tropical Sun, and they are this afternoon's sponsors for the proceedings. Over there in the back, you're recognized. And last but by no means least, members of the Jamaican community, ladies and gentlemen, I bid you all welcome. My name is Richard Wedderburn, freelance journalist on Team News Entertainment Radio. That is a community radio here in the Netherlands of Jamaican background and origin, started by the man over there with the camera and myself. That is my trusty sidekick partner in We Don't Commit Crime, Loyrite, aka DJ Blue. So he will be making photographs and he will be sending them to the Honorable Minister and all the other relevant persons. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, flies and mosquitoes, everybody in the room, lend me your ears. We have amongst us a man of stature, a man of backbone, a man from the culture, from the roots, a man with a long history that no book can hold, a man who said, follow me mouth, a man who said, come but la follow back at me, a man who said, should I go on? Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the man of the hour, Oliver Samuels.
This long time, girl, we never see you. Come make me hold your hand. This long time, girl, we never see you. Come make me hold your hand. Peel like John Cross, sit down my tree top, pick up the blossom. Make me hold your hand, girl. Make me hold your hand. Me say day, oh, daylight come and me want go home. Me say day, oh, daylight come and me want go home. Me say day, 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 oh, daylight come and me want go home.
How will you kick me basket for? Push you back in a place. Have a mind to take you up and lick you across your face. I lick you, yes? You think afraid? Just gone and yama. Yes, the basket you're attacking. This is a crime. You can't cuss me. You can't beat me. You can call me all the hits. Do anything you want with me. But put on my basket. For this your basket here is me all in all. Me shilling, me pence, and me pound.
Feel me love, have lion heart. Feel me love, have lion heart. Strong and everlasting, only for you. Put me down. Let me see tell you. Barack Obama asked the question. Wow, I want Jamaica, I think it would have been Dutch like me. Oh no, that's all. Look at him now, chef. Now give them cream pea daddy food by me at all. Because Jamaica people when them and them not here no more. I would like to apologize to the doctor and her two boys, or two young men, because I did ask them if they were able to speak the Jamaica language, and they shyly said no, and doctor upset. Doctor boil and a bubble. Doctor called me, doctor said, Oliver, those two boys are the biggest liars. They can't talk the Jamaica talk. Here I know. Talk, make him hear. Talk, make him hear. One say, wagwan. The other one say, parts the coochie on the left hand side. So me say, me ask him if him know what coochie is. Him say, no. So me say, coochie a ganja pipe. And me say, Dutchie a pot. Amazing. Absolute duck. I don't do that. No. Because me know no Jamaican woman, you know, when you no pick me embarrassed, you no go and go kill them with liquor.